Welcome to Writing and Self-Publishing with Cindy. The goal of creative nonfiction. When trying to figure out a way to inspire others to begin writing, I knew they would need a reason to write and a goal to keep them showing up. However, suggesting to someone that they write a book is daunting. It's daunting for anyone. I considered hosting a writing workshop or retreat to help motivate, teach, and give people the opportunity to treat themselves by escaping the everyday busyness and submerge themselves in their writing. In doing so, I did some research on writing retreats and came across one hosted in Paris, France. The pariscafewriting.com website says, "Our focus is creative nonfiction. This means writing about real people, real places, and really good food. Can you then spin it into creative nonfiction? Absolutely." Once I understood that creative nonfiction, for example, describing the Paris cafe that they were sitting in, could be used in a scene of a fictional piece of writing, I realized it was brilliant. What a great way to practice writing without the overwhelming thought of writing a book. By writing in this way, you may provide the foundation for your novel, memoir, or nonfiction book. If you have already been working on a manuscript, these words you have created may fill in those details that are often skipped over in the desire to stitch the plot together or have the characters say the right thing at the right time. But perhaps most importantly, producing these bits of writing ahead of time will prove to yourself that you can do it, and that can go a long way. See you next time.